What's up, YouTube? We got a new product here with all kinds of new detailing stuff. As you know, I like to keep my truck really clean, and I'm pretty anal about it. So we're going to go ahead and check it out. You all know, and we know, that keeping your ride clean gives you a nice long-lasting vehicle and a really nice looking vehicle to turn some people's heads. Well, Cody, on the other hand, so we have some products here that can even probably help Cody keep his truck a little less shitty. We got all kinds of new products for washing your truck. Wow, that's really streak free. That works pretty good.
Wow, that's real good.
Wow, look at that.
Yeah, it dried up fast too.
So this is the grease attack. I'm not going to dilute it because this is really greasy, as you can see here. So we're going to give it a full-on spray on. Just remember, all these bottles have a stream and a spray feature. We're going to hose it on here. Get my rag here in my pocket. Let it sit a couple minutes. You can use this on all kinds of stuff. Carpets, your truck. Look at that. Look at that. Taking this oil right off. Wow, that's pretty impressive. It smells good too. It's like a kind of a citrusy. Look at that. Cleaning it right up. Right down, nice and clean. I only let it sit on there for a couple seconds. Wow, and it smells good. Pretty good. I mean, if I soak this whole thing down, I'm sure it would come right. Like, there's not even that much on the rag. It just dissolved it all. Like here, we'll go up by the starter housing. Wow, that's crazy. That did pretty good. That did better than brake cleaner. Okay, we got the interior cleaner here. We're going to put it on spray instead of stream. We got this kind of stain here. We're going to go ahead and give it a spray. Wow. That smells pretty good too. You can spray it on the door panel or the rag. Took it right off. Wow, that smells really good. Oh, women are really going to like that. Leaves it nice and shiny. Thanks, Banks. Clean this door panel all up. Gets all the grime. It really gets the grime off. Like, see, this old material here collects skin oils, oils from your skin. So we'll spray it on here, and it just wipes it right off, nice and clean. See that? Wow, that is impressive. All right, so we got the strainer in here. Make sure it strains out all the dirt for you. That's really nice because it keeps it in the bottom. Our nice microfiber, I don't want to, a noodle wash mitt, pretty generic, And then we got our automotive car wash right here. So smells pretty good. It's pretty thick, so we're going to go ahead and give our mitt a nice coat. That's pretty good. And then we're going to go ahead and soak it, and then we're going to show you guys how to use the old musket on the garden hose. So we got the 2-in-1 salt wash and flush. We live in Pennsylvania. It's May. Pretty much all the salt's off the road now, but we do have a lot of salt on the roads in the winter. So if you come over here, I got to unlock my truck first, and I'll show you how much salt gets in it. So I drive this truck mainly in the springtime now because it's nice. This other one over here, I'll just show you how much salt we get on the roads. You can kind of see by just opening up the door and looking in here and how much salt residue there is from my shoes just getting in and out. Like it's everywhere. There's salt all over, like salt spray, still all over this because I literally haven't drove this for a while and it just sits here. I just drive this one in the winter. That one's for the summer and the springtime. So in Western Pennsylvania, they put a lot of salt and like anti-skid and calcium chloride on the road. So it's going to help get all that off. Here it is, the Captain's Musket. It actually has a 1-year warranty to this, so that's pretty awesome. It's a 2-in-1 salt wash and flush gun, so that's awesome. It hooks up to any garden hose. You don't even have to have a pressure washer to use this. Any garden hose. Everybody has a garden hose. You can hook it up. So it's got a wash, a rinse, and an off setting on it. We're going to go ahead and bust this thing open. I'm pretty excited actually to use this because I'm like super avid. Wow, it comes with O-rings and everything. Extra ones. Awesome. We got all the O-rings in here, so the bigger one goes on here. It holds up to 90 milliliters of soap. We're going to go ahead and use the auto car wash in here. Again, this is the Musket. It's got 3 settings on it. The next one, O-ring, goes in here on this. And it's also a quick detach. You can leave this on your hose and just quick detach it off, which that's awesome. And it gives you an extra quick detach. And then the last one goes right here in this end, right here. Screw that on the end. Whoops. The O-ring flew out prematurely. Whoops. Again, prematurely. Screw that on here real good. We're going to hook this thing up to the garden hose. We're going to put some of the car wash in here, and we're going to soap can in this truck. And so this end looks like it's just for your garden hose end, or it's a quick detach. We're going to go ahead and install the Musket. We got it fully loaded up with the car wash. This is going to be sick. I've always wanted a foam cannon. And if you got a problem, you can just quick detach it, put the end on here. It's got an O-ring in there already. Screw it on there. Again, it's got a 1-year warranty. I know this is all plastic. It has a 1-year warranty. So obviously, it's probably not that bad. Quick detach it. Bam. Just like that, we're going to hit the water. So the first setting is the wash. There it comes. All the soap. Look at that. You can hold it real nice. Fits on any garden hose. Soak everything with it. We'll get to the wheels later. We got wheel wash. Look at that. Man, that thing's awesome. We put 90 milliliters of soap in this. Wow. All right, so we've obviously soap canned this whole thing. We put 90 milliliters in here. We're going to put it to the off setting, which is the very last setting. It's got an X on it. We're going to let it sit a little bit. It literally hardly uses any soap at all. So you could just like put this back on your shelf, let it sit. You can literally hear it. You can hear it working. So then we're going to put it on the next setting, the rinse setting right here. After we let it sit a little bit. Man, that is awesome. There's absolutely no leaks on this. Look at this. No leaks at all. Hardly use any soap. If you want, you could just quick detach it. Shut your hose off first. And just sit this back on your shelf and you're ready to go for the next wash. So a really nice thing. This is all plastic construction. So if you accidentally like bump your truck like that or whatever, it's not going to mar or mark it, which is awesome. Again, quick detach. I'm going to go ahead and wash this. We got some of their car wash right here in the bucket on their mitt. And I'm going to go ahead and wash it by hand just because, again, like I said, I'm anal. So I'm going to wash it. Then we'll show you guys a couple other things. All right, so we got the car wash on the mitt. We're going to use the mitt and we're going to give this a wash. Usually I start with the hood and the roof first, all the high spots, because like I'm washing in the sun. When I was a kid, I worked at a body shop, young. So I started washing cars and you would wash, everything high first. So actually, I need to go to the roof. So I wash a lot of cars. I'd only really get paid for washing them for half an hour. So I got, pretty fast at doing it. I mean, that was also probably 15 years ago now. So I'm probably not as fast as I used to be. So it comes with an adapter, like I said earlier, quick detach. Now this one, you can literally just leave this piece on your hose. Now make sure you got a hose with a shut-off valve. See, you can take the Musket off, put this end on, just like this, quick detach, just like a pressure washer. Look at this. That's like a jet. Look at that. So you can go ahead and wash it, spray your wheels off, whatever you need to do. You can adjust it a little bit. See, it's got a fan. It's got clean to a jet. That's awesome. And off. All right, so I'm assuming the coarse brush is for the tires. And then the softer, nice, smooth brush, man, that feels great. Look at that. It's even got stuff flying off of it. That means it's soft. It's for the wheels. Banks is going to help us here. He's going to demonstrate a little bit. Perfect. That is perfect because he's doing the tires. So we're going to go ahead and throw the tire cleaner in here, the tire and wheel cleaner in there. The wheel wash right here. I'm going to go ahead and throw that on. And we're going to wash the wheels and tires. So I have dark wheels. I got black wheels on this truck. And I got like dark wheels on that truck. Very important if you got dark wheels. Gray, silver, chrome, not so much. So it says, coat your wheel with a thick layer of product and rest for 30 to 60 seconds. If your wheels are aftermarket painted, test on a small area first. Which both, that one's not. Those are factory wheels. For excess grime and tar build up, use a hand mitt or the wheel brush, which we got the wheel brush. We're going to use it. Rinse thoroughly for full, complete, touchless wash. And use a pressure washer. Use a microfiber towel to dry. So we got the microfiber towel. Let's see on our little Keller thing here. The brown is for wheels and tires. We're going to go ahead and use that once we get it all dry. We're going to do 2 wheels at a time. We're going to go ahead and do that side first. And we put the spray nozzle on it. We're going to go ahead and do it. Go ahead and spray this on. Come on over here. You got the tire brush, man. No, not yet, buddy. Give it a scrub. Use a brush. Use a brush. Scrub the tire. Ready? I'll scrub the wheel, okay? We're going to scrub it. Hold it. We're going to spray it off real good. You holding it? Here, hold it. Hold it up here. Wow. Yeah. That looks real good. What do you think? Does that look good? Yeah. All right, let's turn it off. Now that we washed the whole vehicle, we've foam canned it with the musket. We've hand washed it with the car wash. We've did the wheel cleaner and tire cleaner with both brushes. We've used a microfiber mitt. We are going to add the drip dry, and it says right here, drip dry is the ultimate post-wash formula for your vehicle, which we're post-washing it now. With drip dry, you can achieve hydrophobic effect on the surface of your vehicle in a matter of seconds. Revolutionary formula can be applied by dilution in the captain's musket, which that's what this is, the captain's musket. We're going to go ahead and put that in there. So, we got the drip dry in the old musket here. We're going to go ahead and shoot it, put it on full, and then we're going to put it on rinse once I turn it on. So it's obviously going to dilute it in the musket. Going to go ahead and shoot it real good. We only put about 30 milliliters in it. So hopefully it provides a nice spot-free shine, just like the car wash. Set that down. We're going to go ahead and put the other end on. Look, it literally just pops on. Just like that. Going to go ahead and spray it. Give it a nice mist. Give it a rinse. All right, so I know we're running out of daylight here. I got the drying towel right here. I believe this is some sort of wax applicator because it's like microfiber and soft, and it's got a little handle on it. That's pretty cool. Go ahead and throw this in the box. Now, my opinions on it from being in the automotive industry, like all my life, I'm 28 years old, been in the automotive industry all my life. It's very nice that they color code all the rags so you literally know, like, oh, hey, green is my dashboard and console. Red is my interior fabric and upholstery. That's really nice because I already do that with all my stuff. I literally know what rag goes to what, which is awesome. So they do that for you. Now, we got the drying rag here, so we're going to check that out. I washed this whole truck. I used the musket cannon. Dude, it hardly uses any soap at all. You can literally just save it, pour it back in the bottle, whatever you want. That is awesome. They give you 2 brushes, one for the wheels, one for the tires. That is awesome. Gets it nice and clean and scrubbed. I am really, like I said in the beginning, really anal about washing my vehicles. Like, I like them clean, spotless, very scrubbed, very nice, shiny, turning head stuff. This is awesome stuff, guys. Wow, look at that. This is a dark color. Dark colors are harder to wash and clean and buff. So, look at that. Again, this is over 20 years old. Over 20 years old. Look at this shine on this. I do wash this truck every week. So I'm very familiar with washing, scrubbing, cleaning wheels, polishing, etc. Man, it's just hands down nice. So we got two-tone here, dark color, light color. So it gives you a really good idea on how good this stuff cleans. Look at the shine on that.
Soundstripe.